Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TechFox. Today I am going to show you how to enable or disable Bluetooth in Windows. If this helps, please consider to subscribe this channel. Alright, first click on the Start menu and go to Settings. From here, select Devices. Then click on Bluetooth and other devices. Here you can see that it is already selected. To enable Bluetooth, toggle the switch under Bluetooth to on position. It is already on. If you want to turn it off, then normally click on here. And if you want to turn it on again, then click again. Your PC will now be ready to connect to other Bluetooth devices. It's pretty simple, right? Normally you have to click on toggle button to turn it off, and you have to click again on that button to turn it on. And now, for a quicker method, you can also enable or disable Bluetooth through the Action Center. Normally you have to press Windows key plus A. It will open the Action Center. And here you have to click on Bluetooth icon to turn it off or on. And that's it. You have learned how to enable or disable Bluetooth in Windows. If this tutorial helped you, please don't forget to subscribe to Mr. TechFox and hit that like button for more real-time problem solving videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.